Vedantu Young Wonders. Hi guys, hi to all of you. Let's take some names. Hi Reena Singh, hi Neerajan, hi Chetan Anand, hi Parvinder Marwa. I do remember you, my dear. Hi Ananta Shri Menon, hi Priyal Kothari, hi Anshika Sharma, hi Asi Sharma, hi Sujata. Hi to all of you, my dears. Hi Dwarak. Hi Chetan Anand. Hi Sandeep Valya. Menti code is going to come very soon. So my dear students, today we are on session number 3 for squares and square roots for grade 8. Faster, call your friends faster before we move ahead so that they don't miss out anything. Great going. Hi Zainab. Hi Parvati Sahu. Hi Tanishka. Hello. Hi Shashank Kumar. Happy birthday to you, my dear. God bless you. God bless you, my dear. So, my dear students, all those who are new, first of all, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Give it a big subscription right away. Subscribe to the channel, my dear students, so that you don't miss out anything. All those who are new, give a bell icon, hit like faster. Where you are watching the session, do give it a big thumbs up. नीचे आप लोग देख सकते हो बेल आइकन है वेदांतु यंग वंडर्स. This is the logo for Vedantu Young Wonders and this is the subscription button. How to subscribe? Click on the bell icon and like, share with all your near and dear ones. Let them know that Vedantu is providing you superb classes even during lockdown. So don't let anyone miss out the opportunity to learn on their favorite platform, Vedantu Young Wonders. Great going, guys. And you can also connect to us on Telegram, my dear students, and the link for the same is over here, t.me/Vedantu Junior, t.me/Vedantu Junior. So you can connect to us on Telegram. You can subscribe to the bell icon right now so that you don't miss out anything. Hi, I'm not ignoring anyone. Just now the classes began, my dear students. So have patience. We'll try to take all the names till the end of the session. And here is the daily timetable for all of you. 1 o'clock you had the session with Pritesh sir. 5 o'clock you had the session with me right now, which we have just begun. For square and square roots, session number 3. 6:30, 8 o'clock Sundar sir is going to take your class and 9 o'clock Pritesh sir will take your science class. And here is your daily maths timetable. Your weekly schedule for maths classes on Vedantu Young Wonders, my dear students. So take a snapshot of it so that you don't forget that when Priya ma'am is taking which classes. So it's Tuesday and you have grade 8 topic with me, that is squares and square roots. अब तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं स्क्वायर्स क्या होते हैं. आज पढ़ने वाले हैं स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है, उसका सिंबल क्या होता है, सब कुछ आज पढ़ेंगे. कितने मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं एंड मच मोर टू इट. सो स्टे ट्यून टू द सेशन. डोंट लीव द सेशन so that you don't miss out anything. And as you know that I have started Mathemaze series on your favorite channel Vedantu Young Wonders sharp at 1 p.m. every Sunday. We are already done with 2 sessions of it. Now this Sunday you will have session number 3 with me. Great going. Dipankar, all the best for your exams, my dear. And my dear students, Vedantu has come with pro subscription courses. So you are getting the best out of it. So just click on the link vdnt.in/ytpro. Just click on this link, my dear students, and you will get the instant discount of 1300 if you put the code for PJAPRO. If you want to learn maths with me on a regular basis in the form of pro courses on Vedantu, don't miss out the opportunity. Don't miss out the opportunity because you will be having regular classes with me on pro subscription batches. Okay, and an instant discount. So free में कुछ मिल रहा है यार इतने अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे, तो why do you want to miss? Almost free के बराबर है. 30 days just for 2699 along with your assignments, test series, learning material, so much more. So what are you waiting for? So my dear students, just click on the link and put the code PJAPRO. 4 simple steps. Select your grade, select your target, and click on the get subscription button, because then only you will get to know what all are the advantages to it. क्या फायदे हैं प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन में आने के? And in the last step, just select your time period. Whether you choose for any months, you are getting awesome discounts. You are getting awesome discounts, my dear. How? Because these are your pro subscription batches, so you have to put the code PJAPRO. So pro stands for your pro subscription batches, and PJA is my code, is your teacher's code. And just click on the button buy now after applying your coupon code to get the discounts. And what are the benefits to it, my dear students? You will be getting live classes by India's best master teachers, including me. Personalized attention will be given to you. Full recordings will be provided to you, along with notes, assignments, test series, and much more. And much more to it, my dears. These will be long-term batches. So micro courses will also be given to you, and you will have at least 2 live classes for each chapter. For each chapter, crash courses will be given to you. Test series, assignments, learning material. So much will be provided to you in just 2,700 for 1 month. And if you enroll for 3 months, 6 months, you have better discounts. You have awesome discounts. So don't let the opportunity go out of your hand, my dear students. And let your friends, your cousins know that Vedantu is providing awesome pro subscription batches. You can choose your favorite teacher, you can choose your chapters, you can choose your time slots just by sitting at home. So what's exciting than this? Okay, so don't miss it out. Don't miss it out every day. I give you the information for the same. And still, link and coupon code will be provided to you in the description box, my dear. So let's have a quick recap what all we have learned in the previous session on Thursday. We had learned some interesting patterns on squares. We had also learned how to find out a square even without doing actual multiplication. And last but not the least, what is Pythagorean triplet? What is Pythagorean triplet? And today we are going to move ahead. Square root क्या होता है? पहले square तो याद कर लो यार. Square क्या होता है? जब एक number को उसी से multiply करते हैं. When a number is multiplied by itself, then the product which you get is called as square. Is called the square of that number. And if we take it vice versa, my dear students, that is called square root, which I am going to cover in today's session, along with the different methods which can be used to find out the square root of any number. To find out the square root of any number. तो बच्चों आज जल्दी से सीख लेते हैं कि स्क्वायर रूट्स क्या होता है और कौन कौन से मेथड से उसे सॉल्व किया जा सकता है. 3 मेथड्स है जिसमें से आज 2 हम कवर करने वाले हैं. Along with a live Menti quiz. I'll not leave the live Menti quiz, my dear. Thank you, Pragati. Thank you so much. Hi, Sejal. Hi, Kajal. Great, great, great. Rudrashri Tiwari, you can still watch the previous sessions after this session, my dear. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. So, my dear students, what is square root? When you multiply a number by itself, what you get is a square. So, 81 is a square of 9. But if you go in a reverse way, if you take a U-turn लेते हो बच्चों, तो कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिसको उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करो and you get the answer? That is square root. That is square root. Square root वो नंबर है जिसका वो स्क्वायर है. Square root वो नंबर है जिसका वो स्क्वायर है बच्चों. Okay? So square is when a number is multiplied by itself, and the number which you are multiplying by itself to get the square is called square root. What is it called? Square roots. So let me show you what is meant by square first. So see, area is already given to you. जब आपको area already दिया हुआ है, how will you find out the length? What is area of square? जल्दी से chat box में बताओ, what is area of square? Faster, faster, faster. No chatting, no chatting. Let's focus on the class. Samriddhi Verma, we will see to the chats, my dear students, but after the learning time. After the learning time, bacho. Great going. What is area of a square? Side into side. And how to find out that side is called how to find out the square root. No, it's not 6 into side. It's side into side. So what is such number which when multiplied by itself will give you 64? Will give you 64, that is 8. So 64 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है बच्चों? 8. 64 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? 8. अब अगर आपको एक स्क्वायर में साइड दी हुई है, लेंथ ऑफ वन साइड दी हुई है एज 2 यूनिट्स, हु विल टेल मी द एरिया इन द चैट बॉक्स? जल्दी से बताओ, अगर 2 यूनिट्स साइड है तो उसका एरिया क्या होगा? थैंक यू प्रमोद, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. ओनली 4 बच्चों. It will be 4 square units. It will be 4 square units like this. This SQ dot is the short form for writing SQ. Is the short form for writing the square word. Okay, my dear students. And how to find out the square roots are 3 methods. Repeated subtraction. The name itself suggests, इसका नाम ही बता रहा है कि बार बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहो, कि बार बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहो बच्चों. तो रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन क्या बोलता है? बार बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहो. एंड एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हेन यू गेट द रिजल्ट एज 0, आफ्टर कीप ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, दैट इज वेयर you get to know the square root. The next is prime factorization. What is the next? Prime factorization. I hope all of you know what are prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are such numbers which have only 2 factors. The number itself and 1. The number itself and 1. Great going. And the last method is long division. So bachcho, let's cover repeated subtraction और prime factorization आज की क्लास में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्क्वायर रूट का सिंबल क्या होता है? स्क्वायर रूट का सिंबल क्या होता है? अंडर रूट. ये ऐसे अंडर रूट, एक छोटा सा, और इसके अंदर जो हम नंबर लिखते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द नंबर फॉर विच यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट. द नंबर फॉर विच यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट. तो 4 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा? 2. 9 का क्या होगा? 3. 16 का 4. 25 का 5 एंड 36 का 6. How? Because when these numbers are multiplied by itself, they give me the square root. Now what is repeated subtraction? Whatever number is given to you, जिस भी नंबर के लिए आपको स्क्वायर रूट निकालने के लिए बोला गया है, just start subtracting that number from the consecutive, successive odd numbers. Only and only odd numbers, my dear students. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5 and so on. And so on. Note the number of steps it took to reach. Note the number of steps it took to reach 0. कब तक आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहना है? जब तक आपका आंसर 0 नहीं आएगा. ओके. एंड लास्ट, एज इन व्हेन यू गेट 0, माय डियर्स, जैसे ही आपको 0 मिलेगा, जस्ट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स, कि आपने कितनी बार रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन किया, आपने कितनी बार सब्ट्रैक्शन किया. दैट इज व्हाट विल बी कॉल्ड द स्क्वायर रूट. That is what will be called the square root. Okay, how many ever times we have subtracted? We have done the subtraction. Like if I start from 64, can you see? What are we subtracting it with? The consecutive odd numbers. The consecutive odd numbers. Starting with 1. जो आंसर आया उसको अब 3 से करो, जो आंसर आया उसको 5 से करो. So just keep on taking the numbers and repeat and keep on repeating this subtraction method unless and until you get a 0 in the answer. Unless and until you get a 0 in the answer. And as soon as you get 0, count how many times you have done. 8 times. How many times you have done? 8 times. So the square root of 64 is 8. The square root of 64 is 8. Okay. Now coming to prime factorization method. What do we do in prime factorization? We do its prime factorization first. I hope all of you are aware of how to do prime factorization. Keep on dividing that number. बच्चों उस number को बार बार divide करते रहो prime factor से. And what is the smallest prime factor? 2. 2. So make pairs of same primes. Make pairs of the same primes, and then one pair is equivalent to one pair. One pair should be equivalent to one pair. Now see this example. See this example. 256 का एग्जाम्पल लिया, हमने उसको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से सॉल्व किया. हमने उसको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से सॉल्व किया. 2 से सॉल्व करते गए तो वी गॉट 8 times 2. हमें क्या मिला? 8 times 2. तो अब 2 के जो पेयर्स बने ना बच्चों, वी ऑल हैव टू टेक द वन पेयर आउट ऑफ इट कॉमन. वन नंबर उसमें से बाहर निकालना है. कौन सा? 2. एंड यू कैन नेवर एवर मेक द पेयर्स. अगर दो नंबर अलग अलग है, अगर दो नंबर अलग अलग है बच्चों, तो उसका कभी पेयर नहीं ले सकते. उसका कभी पेयर नहीं ले सकते. देन दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. अगर सेम नंबर के पेयर्स नहीं मिल रहे और आप नंबर नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो, then that means you cannot take out the square root of it. You cannot take out the square root of it. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Why we are writing 4 times? Because my dear students, we are taking one number out of the pairs. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is your square root for 256. Let's have a look at 324. 324 को प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किया, मुझे तो 2 बार 2 मिला और 4 times 3 मिला. Let me know in the chat box what will be the square root after taking out one number from the pairs. What will be the square root to this? Faster guys. I am not ignoring बच्चों, किसी को इग्नोर नहीं कर रहे हैं. Faster, faster, faster. 18. Okay, okay, okay. Great. So the answer to it is 18. Well done guys. Good, great job. How? You have to take one number common out of the pairs. So as you have seen, I have not made any pair with 1 2 and 1 3 in it. The pair should always be of the same number. The pair should always be of the same number, my dear students. Okay. And once again, all those who have just joined, what are pro subscription courses? बच्चों, the link to it is vdnt.in/ytpro. इसका फायदा क्या है? You will get all the regular classes by your India's best master teachers. And the code for it is PJAPRO. PJAPRO. इस कोड को क्यों लगाएंगे? Because you will get an instant discount of 1300. Instant discount of 1300. What are the 4 simple steps? Just select your grade, select your target, and then what? When you click get subscription, my dear, before that, just have a look. You will get unlimited access to live classes. You can access to any classes, n number of classes. You will be having best interaction with the India's best master teachers. unlimited doubt solving. There will be different types of teachers, different class teachers will be there to clear your doubts. Sejal, my dear, square is a number which when multiplied by itself gives you a product. उसको square बोलते हैं. But square root is when you divide that number, when you get that number after multiplying that number. Okay? After dividing that same number with itself. Okay? Great going. And then test series assignment study material will be provided to you. But what is the most important thing? Your scores improvement guarantee is with us. It is with us. It is with Vedantu, my dears. And you can choose any time slot which suits to you. And then just click your time, whether you want to enroll for 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. If you enroll for 1 month, it's just for ₹2, 699. 3 months, more discount, 2,333. 6 months, more discounts, 1,917 per month. That's it. So just calculate and see what are the discounts you are getting, what are the benefits you are getting. And the code to it is PJAPRO. What is the code? PJAPRO, my dear students. Okay. So hit like to the video if you have enjoyed today's session with me, that what is a square root and what are the different methods, which we can use to find out the square root. Thank you, Namandeep Singh. Thank you. Great going faster. So let's start with your mentee. And the code for today is 840189. 840189. Faster, guys. No, Rudrashri, class is not over. Now we are going to... Yes, Sumitra, you can very well access Vedantu on your system also. So my dear students, go to a new tab, go to a new page on your screen, type www.menti.com and the code for today is 840189. 840189. Yes, quality education, I am very well safe. Thank you. Rajkumar Bharti, I am not ignoring anyone. Hi Raghav S, I am perfectly fine. Hi Chetan Anand, hi Sahil, hi Kajal Chaudhary, hi Ayush Raj, hi Seema, hi Gunjan, hi Kritika Watwani, sorry. Hi Shreyas, hello my dear. Great going. Hi Adarsh. Faster. Let's have more than 350 students in the class. In the mentee, if you want to start with mentee, faster. Great. The code is 840189. Thank you, Pragati. Thank you so much. Thank you, Govind Singh. Faster, guys. Faster. I am not ignoring anyone. No one is being ignored. So the code for today's mentee is 840189. Call your friends faster. Let's have more than 350 students in the mentee. Great going, guys. Hi Priyanshi. Hi Vijay Kumar. I do remember you. Hi Krishna Yadav. Hi Minakshi Vardi. Hi Komal Rajshri. Hi Kapil Dev. Hi Jayant Anand. Hi Shadan Parveen. Hi Gagandeep Kaur. Hi Manju. Hi Nidhi. Great. Hi Anshul Gupta. Faster, guys. Thank you, Ranjit Singh. Hi, Sanmeet Kaur. Hi, Rohit Gupta. Hi, Durga Lal Meena. Hi, Brownji Gaming. Hi to all of you. My dears, all those, I can see so many new joinees in the class today. So, click on the bell icon right now. If you want to see the first question of mentee, click on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out anything on your favorite channel, Vedantu Young Wonders. 30 seconds more to answer. By that time, do give the session a big thumbs up as you are enjoying the session with me, and Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and give me the confirmation right now. Vishaka Tyagi, if you are new, my dear, welcome to the first class and click on the subscribe button. Subscribe button दिख रहा है बच्चों? Subscribe. Already clicked. Faster. Can you see the bell icon? Just click it, then it will show to you subscribed. Unless and until you don't click the bell icon, it will just show you subscribe. And click on the hit like the session. Hit like the session faster. 10 seconds more. By that time, subscribe and like the session. Subscribe and like the session faster. I can't see all of you have still liked. The number of students are more than the number of likes. Faster guys, faster. I know you all are enjoying, so why don't you show it by liking the session? Great going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up, guys, and I hope you all have subscribed, and here comes your first question. All the best to all of you. First question on your screen. What is the square of 95? You have to find out the square of 95. Faster guys. Is it option A, B, C or D? Faster. Hi Rakesh Ranjan Tiwari. Hi Gagandeep Kaur. Hi Rakesh Ranjan Tiwari. Hi Shrija. Hi Raghaves. Hi Garima Agarwal. Hi Panvit Pari. Hi Kafia. Faster. 5 seconds more. And the time's up. Great going. Maximum of you gave the correct answer, and the answer to it is 9025. And if you have attended my session on Sunday, I have told you how to multiply the numbers ending with 5. The number when it is multiplied by itself with 5, that can be done in seconds, even without actual multiplication. Okay. Mr. Advait, like and subscribe. Pranav, Siddesh, Amu, Ananya, Adi, Saksham, Bansal, Lakshra and Srinidhi. Congratulations all of you, and here comes your next question. Babita Devi, the code is 840189. 840189. Renu Garg, the next class will be on Thursday, my dear, sharp at 5 p.m. If the side of a square is 12 units, then what is the area? अगर side दिया हुआ है square का, तो how will you find out the area? Think fast. 20 seconds left. What will be the area of this? Sangeeta Shah, how to join, my dear? Go to a new tab. Lalita, Sangeeta, first of all, click on the bell icon and then go to a new page. Type www.menti.com and the code for today is 840189. 840189, my dear students. Faster, great. So the answer to it is 144 square units. How? 12 into 12. 12 into 12 gives me 144 square units. Gives me 144 square units. Great, new joinees. Pranav, Adi, Priyan, Saksham, Bansal, Srinidhi, Ashay, Siddesh, Achievers, Legend, Naitik. Very good. And here comes your next question. Chitra Joshi, it's going perfectly fine with you all guys. Don't worry. What is the length of the side of a square if area is 121? इस बार बच्चों एरिया दिया हुआ है, आपको साइड निकालना है. ओके, फास्टर. 26 seconds left. Yes, Vrinda Queen, this is live class on Vedantu Young Wonders right now. Every day, sharp at 5 p.m., maths classes are live. And today it is for grade 8. No writing of answers in the chat box, my dears. Write it down in the Menti. Mention your answer in the Menti. Faster. Great, guys, and the answer to it is given by maximum of you correct. It's 11 units because 11 into 11 is 121. 11 into 11 is 121. Thank you, Tanishka Kashyap. Happy to hear that you are enjoying. So give it a big thumbs up. Pranav, Adi, Priyan, Srinidhi, Saksham, Bansal, Siddesh, Achievers, Legend, Priyal and Natik. Well done, guys. Next question on your screen. Shashank Kumar, you are getting enough time from me, my dear. How many steps would it take for finding the square root of 81 by repeated subtraction method? So you can do it vice versa also. Think over it. 30 seconds left. If you find out the 81 square roots by repeated subtraction method, how many steps you have to do to get the answer 0? To get the answer 0. Manoj Oja, the code is 840189. 840189 is the Menti code. Sandeep Valia, for sure your name will come. It comes according to the time, my dears. I am perfectly fine. Thank you for asking. And the answer to it is given by 240 of you correct. Maximum. Great going. The answer to it is 9, my dear student. The answer is 9. Okay. Sangeeta Shah, in this they were asking you how many times you will keep doing the subtraction to get the square root. That means how many steps you will do. Just do 81 square root by repeated subtraction and you have to do that 9 times. 9 steps will be there. Pranav, Adi, Srinidhi, Saksham, Bansal, Siddesh, Legend, Ashif, Priyal, Prashant and Natik. Congratulations all of you. Faster, faster, faster. Yes, Riya, no one should give the answers in the chat box, my dears. And if you want to see the next question, first click on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon, my dear. I can see so many new students. So many new students. Faster. Hi, Bhargav76. A big shout out to each one of you. All those who are there in Menti, go to the session as well, so that I can take your names. A big shout out to you. Have you subscribed to the channel? Yes or no? Yes. And here comes your next question. Stephen, subscribe to the channel, my dear. Welcome to your first class. Find the square root of 225. You have 36 seconds left. You can do it by repeated subtraction or prime factorization. But I would recommend you, when you see a bigger number, a greater number, always use prime factorization. Thank you, Manjeet Srivastav. And now come to the Menti by the code 840981. Lord Krishna Academy, you have to go to www.menti.com and the code for today is 840189. 840189. Great, guys, great. Maximum of you gave the correct answer and it is 15. 15 into 15 gives you 225. Hi Kanveer, hi Arushi, hi Abhilasha, hi Minakshi Virdi. And here's the leaderboard. Srinidhi, Saksham Bansal, Siddesh, Legend, Ashia Anmol, Priyal, Prashant, Natik, Lakshya and Krish Timana. Great going, guys. Next question on your screen. Vice versa is if you come from bottom to top also. Whatever we are learning, if you come it by the back side also, you will get the same concept. Find the square root of 400. Very easy. 35 seconds left. Hi Govind Sharma. Hi Dinesh Singh. Hi Jay Maurya. Hi Liaquat. Hi Seema Tripathi. Hi Meena Lahuja. Hi Diti Mahajan. Hi Sudhanshu Gupta. 14 seconds left, guys. Hi Govind Sharma. Namandeep Singh, I am so sorry. That means others are giving the answers more faster than you, my dears. Great going. 281 of you gave the correct answer, and the answer to it is 20. What is the answer? 20, my dear students. Here's the leaderboard. Srinidhi, Siddesh, Saksham, Legend, Asha Anmol, Priyal, Naitik, Prashant, Krishtimana and Lakshya. Great going, all of you. S Mechatronics, a big shout out to you, my dear. No, Bhargav. If the prime factorization of the number is this, then what will be the square root? What will be the square root? Like you have given the answer to me for the last question in the slides. Accordingly, like that. 20 seconds more. No, Bhargav, I am taking the classes from the very beginning of this session on Vedantu. Maithili, the next class will be on Thursday for grade 8. For grade 8, my dear students. Hi Ananya Rajput, I do remember you. What is the answer to it is? Great going, guys. Maximum of you gave the correct answer and it is 258. What is it? 258. Here's the leaderboard. Thank you, T. Suresh Kumar. Please hit like the session. Hit like the session. Srinidhi, Priyal, Prashant, Naitik, Siddesh, Arushi, Nidhi, Ayush, Shri Vaishnavi and Komal. Great going, guys. All of you, hit like the session if you are enjoying. Hit like the session if you are enjoying the session with me and Mentee quiz. Faster. Do give it a big thumbs up and click on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon. Thank you, Sudhanshu Gupta. Before you get the next question from me. And here comes your next question. The number 160 is a perfect square. So you can find out by any method. If it is coming in repeated subtraction as 0, then it will be a perfect square according to the number of steps. And in prime factorization, if you are getting any number which is not being paired like a square root, then it will not be a perfect square. So you have to find out the prime factorization for it. Thank you, Fun with Pari, for the confirmation. Is it true or false? Thank you, Gamer. Hi, Rampal. I am not ignoring you, my dear. And the answer to it is false, my dear students. 160 is not a perfect square. What is perfect square? When a number is multiplied by itself. When a number is multiplied by itself. Okay. And here's the leaderboard. Next 7th class is on Saturday, Ananta Shri. Srinidhi, Prashant, Siddesh, Nidhi, Arushi, Shri Vaishnavi, and who's this? Ayush, the mathematician, East or West. Great going, Rohit. All the best, all of you, for coming on the leaderboard, and congratulations, Srinidhi. Congratulations, my dear. Thank you, Jalpa Chokshi, my dears. Do click on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon faster so that you don't miss out any of my sessions if you are enjoying maths classes with me. None of the sessions you will miss out on Vedantu Young Wonders if you subscribe to the channel. If you click the bell icon. Faster, guys. Right now so that you don't forget later. Okay? So subscribe to the channel right away and like the today's session and write your lovely comments in the comment box, my dear, so that I get to know how much you enjoyed the session with me. And Thursday we are going to learn more about square and square roots in session number 4. All those who are new, my dear students, please watch all the 3 sessions of square and square roots before meeting me, before joining me on Thursday at 5 p.m. Okay, so tomorrow is grade 6. Kiran Yaramala, the grade 6 class is tomorrow, and we are going to learn integers tomorrow, session number 2. Okay, so bye guys. Keep like, share, and subscribe the channel to everyone. And I am going to meet you sharp at 5 p.m. tomorrow for grade 6. Till then, stay safe.